Okay, in today's video, we're going to look at one of the past question papers. This is from November 2021. That was question 11. So we're going to start from 11.2. So in the diagram, PK is a tangent. So that's a key word there. Remember, tangent, to look for tan chord, tan perpendicular to radius, tangents from the same point. And we're told that chord LS A is produced to P. N and M are points on KP and SP respectively, such that MN, which is this, parallel to SK. So we have parallel lines here. So therefore we look for alternating angles, co-interior angles, and corresponding angles. So let's label the diagram. Okay, so let's start with the tan chord. So the angle between this tangent KP and that chord, it's angle K4, equal to the angle that is subtended by the chord KL. So which angle is that? It's going to be angle what? Angle S1. So angle S1 equal to K4. Another one for tan chord, it's angle between the same tangent and this chord, which is K1. So angle K1 is going to be equal to angle subtended by this chord, which will go like this and that. The angle subtended by that chord is going to be L1. So L1 equal to K1 by tan chord theorem. And then if we look at the parallel lines, we have corresponding angles because there's our F because of the parallel lines. So angle S1 equal to M2 and M3. So this is the angle that is equal to S1. And then we also have alternating angles. Which angles are alternating? We have our Z here. So you can see that M2 alternates with, K2. Okay, so that is our diagram. Now we can start answering the questions. So the first question is asking us to prove that K4 is equal to N angle ML. So that is number 11.2.1. So K4, angle K4 is this angle, right? We are proving that it's equal to NML. So that is NML. So we are proving that this angle K4 equal to M2 plus M3. So we know that angle K4 is equal to angle S1. Reason is tan chord. Okay, and we also know that angle S1 is equal to N angle ML. N angle ML. Reason is corresponding angles, corresponding because NM is parallel to KS. So now since K4 is equal to S1 and NML is also equal to S1, therefore they must be equal to each other. So angle K4 is equal to N angle ML. So that question is done. Question is asking us to prove that KLM is a cyclic chord. So KLM is a cyclic chord. So KLMN is a cyclic chord. So it's KLMN. Okay. So let's try and highlight this shape. I'm going to do, let me do a dotted line here. Let's highlight the shape. So it's K. So we're trying to prove that it's a cyclic quad. And we have already proved that, and that's 11.2.2. We know that angle K4 is equal to, angle A4 is equal to this angle, which is NML. So it's N angle ML. That one has been proven. Then we can say, therefore, KLMN is a cyclic quad. Why? Because this is an exterior angle equal to opposite interior angle. So that would be exterior angle of a quad equal opposite interior angle. So that's the end of that question. It was only for 1 mark. Let's go to the next question, 11.22. Prove that triangle LKN is similar to triangle KSM. So we're going to say that's 11.22. In triangle LKN, and triangle KSM. So let's highlight those triangles. So triangle KLKN, this LKN. So that's the triangle. Okay. Triangle LKN is the triangle that I highlighted in blue. Let's do another one. This is going to be triangle KSM, the one that I'm going to do it in red. So that is KSM. So that's the red. To prove that, we're going to prove 3 angles that are going to be equal in each triangle. Okay. So in those 2 triangles, which angles are going to be equal? So we're going to say from the blue triangle, angle L1. That's angle L1 is going to be equal to angle L1 is going to be equal to which angle? It's going to be equal to angle K2. Why? L1 equal to NM2. Reason, angles in the same segment. Remember, I've already proved that this shape is a cyclic quad. So now you can see the bow tie here. This angle equal to that. So we can say angle L1 is equal to angle M2. So that will be angles in same segment. And we know that angle M2 is equal to, we indicated that it's equal to angle K2. Angle K2. That would be meeting angles, reason being KS parallel to NM. So therefore, L1 is equal to angle L1 is equal to angle K2. So we've done the first angles. Okay, the second one is going to be what now? It's going to be angle N3. Angle N3 is equal to which angle? Again, we have a cyclic quad here. So there's our bow tie or a butterfly. So angle N3 is equal to angle M3 is equal to angle M3. Again, it's angles in same segment. Okay. Then the last one, we're just going to equate the angles, the remaining angles. So in the blue triangle, it's angle what? It's angle K, K1, K2, and K3. So, or you can say it's angle NK. angle KL is equal to angle, what's remaining in the red triangle? S2. So it's equal to angle S2. The reason now we're just going to say is the sum of angles in a triangle. Then we can say, therefore, triangle LKN is similar to triangle KSM. That's angle, 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 the reason. Then you write your ratios. You'll have LK over KS. Remember, taking the first two there, LK, KS. Take the last two, KN, SM. So equal to KN over SM, which is equal to first and last now, LN over KM. Then reason is similar triangles. Okay, so we have answered that question. Then the next question now, 11.2.3. If LK is 12 and 3KN is equal to 4SM, determine the length of KS. So again, we go to that ratio. So that is 11.2.3. So the ratio was LK, KS, KN, SM equal to LN, KM. Okay. Now let's try and solve for this. So we have 3K N equal to 4SM. So let's divide by SM there. Divide by SM. Then you are left with 3KN over SM is equal to 4. Then just divide by 3. You are left with KN over SM is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, and then we also give an LK, which is equal to 12, which is from this. We're looking for KS. Now we look at our ratios. Okay, do we have KL? So this is 12. So KL, yes. KS, yes, is what we are looking for. And then KN from this ratio, yes. And SM, yes. So all you do is just going to write LK over KS is equal to KN over SM. So LK is 12, KS is what we are looking for, and then the ratio of KN to SM is this, that was given. So that is 4 over 3. Then next step, we just cross multiply. So you have 4KS is equal to 36. Then you just divide by 4. You get KS equal to 36 divided by 4. That will be 9 units. So that is 9 units. And then that's the end of that question. Then the last one, 11.2.4. 11.2.4. What are they asking for here? It is further given that NL is 16, LS is 13, so NL is 16 units, KS is 13, LS, sorry, is 13 units, LS is equal to 13 units, and then KN is equal to 8. KN is equal to 8 units. They want us to get the length of LT. Okay. So now, since we know that KN n is equal to 8 units, which is given. We can use this equation from 11.2.3, which says 3kn is equal to 4sm, equal to 4sm. Let's substitute 3 times 8 is equal to 4sm. 8, that's the value, that's the given length of kn. Then just divide that by 4, divide by 4. 3 times 4, that's 24. Divide by 4, that will be 6. So Sm is equal to 6. Now let us go to the triangles. So from here we're going to use the theorem that says line parallel to side of a triangle. So what do we have here? We have Sm, which is 6. So Sm, this is 6. And then what else do we have? Kn, which is 8. This is 8 units. What else do we have? NL is 16. So NL, which is this length, that is 16. What else? LS is 13. So LS is 13 units. We are looking for LT. So you are looking for this length. So if we use this triangle, let me try and highlight the triangle. If we use this triangle and use the theorem that says line parallel to side of a triangle. So we use this triangle. Because we are looking for we are looking for LT. So we can say LT over NL. NL. So that is LT over NL. So in that triangle, LT corresponds to LS over, and then NL corresponds to what? NL corresponds to LM. LM. Then you write the reason, line parallel to side of a triangle. So we're looking for LT over NL. Remember we said that is 16 equal to LS. This is 13 over LM. 13 plus 6, which is 19. Then you just multiply by 16 both sides. Then you get LT equal to, and we put that on the calculator. It gives us 10.9. That's the end of this question. Thanks for watching.